Yes. The question is find the GP. That means you have to find out the general form of geometrical progression. That is AR square, AR cube. You have to find out. At least you have to find out the fourth term. That means he is asking you to find GP. That means I should find A. The general form of GP is what? A into R, AR square, AR cube, dash dash dash. So since I have to find out GP, this is the general form of GP which I am supposed to find out. So very clearly, to find the general form of GP, I have to find A, I have to find R also. So to finding the A value and R value, you have to do the method what I have done in the 11th question. Very clearly, to find the GP means what? I have to find out the sequence of GP. That means A into R, AR square, AR cube and so on. So to find that, I need A, okay, and I need R. So in the 11th problem, I told you how to do A as well as R also. Please follow it. Yes. Now, okay, he has given the fourth term is 1 by 18. So according to the given data, T4 is equal to 1 by 18. Then seventh term, T7 is equal to what? Minus 1 divided by 486. What we are supposed to find out? AR square, AR cube, which is unknown. Right? Yes. Now, by formula, Tn is equal to what? A r to the power of n minus 1. Because in order to find this sequence, I need A value as well as R value. So by using this, T4 is equal to, now n value is 4. A value we don't know. R value we don't know. N value is what? 4 minus 1. What is T4? 1 by 18 is equal to AR to the power of 3. Let it be equation 1. Similarly, T7. So T7 is equal to AR to the power of, now n value will become 7 minus 1. What is T7? Minus 1 divided by 486 is equal to AR to the power of 6. Let it be this equation 2. As usual, divide 1 by 2 or 2 by 1. So divide equation 2 by 1. So 2 by 1. That is A r to the power of 6 divided by A r to the power of 3 is equal to minus 1 divided by 486 divided by 1 divided by 18. So A and A will get cancelled. Here also 3R, here also 3R. R to the power of 3 is equal to, I can send 18. Okay, so this will become minus 1 into 18 divided by 1 into 486. 18 how many times is 486? Please check. 18 how many times is 486? Now 18 ones are 18, 18 27 is 486. So therefore R cube is equal to minus 1 divided by 27 can be written as 3 cube. Okay, 3 cube. Or I can write R cube is equal to minus 1 by 3 whole cube, because 1 can be written as 1 cube. Since powers are equal, bases will be equal. R is equal to minus 1 by 3. Next, I have to find out A value. So put R is equal to minus 1 by 3 in equation 1. Equation 1. So what is equation 1? A R is equal to what? Minus 1 by 3 whole cube, because it is AR cube, right? Is equal to 1 by 18 is equal to 1 by 18. No doubt A of minus 1 by 27 is equal to 1 by 18. Because the power is odd number, negative sign will be as it is only. A is equal to 1 by 18 into 27 divided by minus 1. So A is equal to 9 2 times, 9 3 times, A is equal to minus 3 by 2. So we got A is equal to minus 3 by 2, R is equal to minus 1 by 3. We are supposed to find out the sequence A, AR square, AR cube. Right? Yes. Shall I repeat again? So as per the given question, he has asked you to find out GP. That means you have to find out the sequence of GP. A, AR square, AR cube. To find the sequence, I need A value as well as R value. So using the given data, he has given the fourth term as 18, 1 by 18, seventh term as minus 1 by 486. By using the given data, I found out the A value as well as R value. By using the formula Tn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. First I have taken T4. Very clearly n is 4. A R to the power of 4 minus 1 will give you A R to the power of 3. T4 value is 1 by 18. Similarly for the T7 if I do, I will get minus 1 divided by 486 is equal to A R to the power of 6. As usual, divide equation 1 by 2 or 2 by 1. I have taken 2 by 1. A and A will get cancelled. Here if I take R to the power of 6 divided by R to the power of 3, I will get R to the power of 3. Then these two after simplification, I will get minus 1 divided by 27. So minus 1 divided by 27 can be written as minus 1 divided by 27 can be written as 3 to the power of 3. 1 can be given any power, so I given 3. So minus 1 divided by 3 whole cube will get that. So since bases are equal, powers will be equal. In this case, powers are equal. Therefore, bases are also equal. Hence, R value is minus 1 by 3. So substitute the R value either in equation 1 or in equation 2. I have preferred equation 1. R is how much? Minus 1 by 3 whole cube, because it is cube only, which is equal to 1 by 18. Since it is odd number, negative sign will be negative only. So 1 cube is 1, 3 cube is 27, which is equal to 1 by 18. So after sending on the other side or by taking the reciprocal method, I will get 1 by 18 into 27 divided by minus 1. Both will go with 9 table, 9 2 times, 9 3 times. Hence I will get A value as minus 3 by 2. Now I have to find out the sequence. I will erase this one. Now, what is the sequence? A into R, AR square, AR cube. You have to find out at least 4 terms. What is A? Minus 3 by 2. Come on. What is A into R? I will do here. A is A into R, which is equal to what? What is A? Minus 3 by 2 into R. Minus 1 by 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Negative into negative will become positive. Plus 1 by 2. The second term will be what? 1 by 2. Next, AR square. AR square. That is A is minus 3 by 2. Into R is what? Minus 1 by 3 whole square. So this is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Since it is square, negative will become positive into 1 square is 1 divided by 3 square is 9. 3 1 time, 3 2 times, 3 times. That will give you minus 1 by 6. Minus 1 by 6. Right? Then I will find out the third one. AR to the power of fourth one, AR to the power of 3. A is minus 3 by 2 into R value is minus 1 by 3 whole cube. Now this is minus 3 by 2 into, since the power is odd number, negative will be negative only, minus 1 to the power of 3 is 1 divided by 3 to the power of 3 is 27. So 3 1 time, 3 9 times. This will give you minus into minus plus 1 divided by 2 9 times is 18. So the other term is 1 divided by 18, and so this is what the geometrical progression which we are supposed to find out is. Please note down. Once we find out the A value as well as R value, I have to find out GP. So the sequence of GP is what? A into R, AR square, AR cube. So already A value we got minus 3 by 2. Then I have to find out AR. I have taken AR. A is what? Minus 3 by 2 into R is minus 1 by 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Negatives. Minus into minus will give you plus 1 by 2. That is the second term, 1 by 2. We have to find out third term. AR square. A is minus 3 by 2 into R is what? Minus 1 by 3. Square of it. So this is minus 1 by 3. Sorry, minus 3 by 2. Since it is even number, negative will become positive. So 1 square is 1 only. 3 square is 9. After simplification, I'll get minus 1 by 6 as the third term. Similarly, to find the fourth term, AR cube minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 3 whole to the power of 3. AR cube minus 3 by 2 into AR cube I have to find out, that is A value is minus 3 by 2 into R value is minus 1 by 3 whole cube. So minus 3 by 2 as it is. Since it is power odd number, negative will become negative only. So 1 cube is 1. So 3 cube is 27. 3 1 time, 3 9 times, minus into minus plus 1 divided by 2, 19 times is 18. So that is the fourth term. So in the question of this type, you have to find out at least 4 terms. Yes, please note down.